I really loved having this little snowman here on my counter. He is just so happy. I might take everything else down and leave him out somewhere here in the kitchen because I do enjoy looking at him. But the rest of this is going to go. I am switching out my Christmas kitchen vignette for my winter kitchen vignette, and part of that will include taking down my Christmas decor and getting ready for winter. So let's get that started. Putting away my Christmas decor is always a little bittersweet, but it is time. However, one of the things I do look forward to is a new calendar. A clean slate, so to speak, to start off the new year. It's been so cold lately. I've been making a lot of cozy up, warm me up foods like soups and stews and chili. So I thought this soup tureen would be the perfect icon to include in my winter kitchen vignette. I decided to layer the rustic tray with a buffalo check dish towel, which complements my buffalo check kitchen curtains. And I thought this sweet little green plant was the perfect floral. My Something with Words on It is the Taste of Home Soups magazine, and the recipes in it helped me to serve up comfort foods, soups, chilies, and stew. And when we're having chili, we like to have some kind of chips, like maybe Fritos or corn chips or tortillas, or also crackers. Sometimes I'll make corn muffins. And I also like to have mugs of hot apple cider. So I'm going to put this little pod of the hot apple cider there just to make you think of that. So here is my winter kitchen vignette. Let's move it over to where it's going to live. So there you have it, my winter kitchen vignette. To me, something that is suggestive of cozy up comfort foods, soups, chilies, and stews. This video is actually part of the Kitchen Vignette Challenge Winter 2021, and there is a playlist that hosts a number of other winter kitchen vignettes posted by other creators who are showing off what they're doing in their kitchen to create just a little bit of joy, a little bit of pretty for winter. So I will put that link in the description box as well as in the comment section, so be sure and check that out. So now let's get my winter calendar put up. I always like to get these proud rooster calendars by Lane. They are just so beautiful. I just love the colors, and I don't know, I just like roosters. So there's my rooster calendar. Now let me find my other rooster plaque for that wall, and then I'll have my kitchen somewhat back to normal. I decided to go ahead and reset the other kitchen counter and then take down the Rudolph plaque and the Christmas tree. I tell you what, getting the ribbon off is almost as difficult as it was to put it on. Once I got my rooster plaque up, I had to vacuum the floor. It seemed like that artificial tree had dropped as many pine needles as a live tree would have. It felt good to have everything back in place. So things are back to normal until it's time to decorate for spring. For more ideas on winter kitchen decor, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out the playlist for the Kitchen Vignette Challenge Winter 2021. And I will see you next time when I'm doing some off-grid cooking.